If you want to know what the difference between Cursor AI and N8N is, then this is the correct video to watch. Cursor AI is a software that allows you to program with the help of AI. You can program web pages, websites, or applications. It will help you with both the front end and the back end. It's a downloadable software where N8N is a online tool that will build AI agents for you. So as you can see right here, it has an example. Let's use the sale, it's more easy to understand. So it's an agent that will do something for you. So here you can see there's a review that they receive, then it's an algorithm that will apply, and then they will cluster it into lists, and it will then have a task right here called Customer Insight Agent, which is connected to the OpenAI chat model. So this OpenAI chat model will generate text around the customer insight, and this agent right here will insert the insights to Google Sheets. So when you get a review, the process will be fully automated until you can see it on Google Sheets. So if I review something here on Google, this AI agent will pick it up and will generate insight that I can read in a Google Sheet without me having to do any research around the customer. So that is basically how N8N works, and Cursor AI is completely different.